What if I told you that the very fabric of our digital lives, from smartphones to supercomputers, relies on a silent, unseen battle against nothingness? It's a fundamental property, an invisible force that shapes how we interact with electricity. This is the story of capacitance. At its core, capacitance is simply the ability of an object to store an electric charge. Think of it as an electrical reservoir. Just as a bucket holds water, a capacitor holds electrical energy. It typically consists of two conductive plates, separated by an insulating material, known as a dielectric. When a voltage is applied, charge accumulates on these plates. One plate gathers positive charge, the other negative. This separation of charge creates an electric field between the plates. The strength of this field determines how much energy is stored. We measure capacitance in units called farads, named after Michael Faraday. When you connect a capacitor to a power source, electrons are pulled from one plate and pushed onto the other. This creates an imbalance, a potential difference or voltage. The dielectric material between the plates doesn't conduct electricity. Instead, it becomes polarized. Its molecules align with the electric field, enhancing the capacitor's ability to store charge. This allows for a stronger electric field and more stored energy for a given voltage. Several factors influence a capacitor's capacity. Larger plate areas mean more space for charge to accumulate. A smaller distance between plates strengthens the electric field. The type of dielectric material also plays a crucial role, with some materials allowing for much higher capacitance than others. Capacitors come in many forms, from tiny ceramic discs to large electrolytic cylinders. Each type is optimized for specific applications, whether it's filtering noise or delivering massive bursts of power. They don't just store charge, they store energy within the electric field itself. Capacitors are everywhere, silently enabling the technology we depend on daily. Consider the flash in your camera. A capacitor rapidly discharges its stored energy to power that sudden burst of light. Without it, instant illumination would be impossible. In computers, dynamic random access memory, or DRAM, relies on billions of tiny capacitors. Each capacitor holds a tiny charge representing a bit of data, a 1 or a 0. This constant charging and discharging forms the backbone of your computer's active memory. They smooth out power fluctuations in electronic circuits, acting like a buffer. This ensures a steady, clean power supply for sensitive components. Your smartphone's touchscreen even uses capacitance to detect your finger's presence, sensing changes in the electric field. Electric vehicles utilize large capacitors for regenerative braking. They capture energy normally lost as heat and store it for later use, improving efficiency. From filtering signals to timing circuits, capacitors are indispensable. Here's a mind-bending thought. The very fabric of empty space, a vacuum, possesses a fundamental property related to capacitance. It's called the permittivity of free space. This isn't just an abstract concept, it's a constant that dictates how electric fields behave in a vacuum. This constant, along with the permeability of free space, determines the speed of light itself. Light, an electromagnetic wave, propagates through the universe at a speed intrinsically linked to these fundamental electrical and magnetic properties of nothingness. So, in a profound sense, the universe itself acts like an immense distributed capacitor. It stores and transmits electromagnetic energy, shaping everything from starlight to radio waves. The seemingly empty void is anything but empty. It's a medium with electrical properties. Every flicker of a screen, every digital thought, every pulse of power is a testament to this invisible force. Capacitance is not just a component. It is a fundamental principle woven into the very fabric of existence, silently enabling the symphony of our technological age.